Hi all, hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to deal with Krishnagata Rogas part 2, that is the remaining Krishnagata Rogas. Last class we studied about the enumeration of Krishnagata Rogas and Shadashukla or Savrana Shukla. Today we are going to study about the remaining diseases in Krishnagata Rogas. So, in enumeration, we told according to Susra Samhita, there are 4 Krishnagata Rogas, and according to Ashtanga Hridaya, there is 5 Shuklagata Rogas, right? Not Shuklagata Rogas, Krishnagata Rogas. So, in that, the 4 types according to Susra Samhita are Savranam, Avranam, Akshipagatyam, and Ajaka. And in Ashtanga Hridaya, it is Shadashukla, Shuddha Shukla, Sida Shukla, Ajaga, and Pagatya. So, only Shadashukla is over. We will see the remaining. First one is Shuddha Shukla or Avrana Shukla. Shanga Shuklam Kafat Sadhyam Na Adiruk Shuddha Shukrakam. Shanga Shuklam Kafat Sadhyam Na Adiruk Shuddha Shukrakam. So, Shanga Shuklam Kafat Sadhyam. Which dosha predominant? Here it is Kafa dosha predominant. Kafat. This is a Sadhya Vyadi. Shanga Shuklam. Shanga Shuklam. How it is? It looks like a Shanga Shuklam. Shanga Shuklam means the white in color which resembles Shanga. Shanga is seashell. Seashell like white in color. Na Adiruk can be seen in Krishna Mandalam. Na Adiruk, there won't be much pain. That is known as Shuddha Shukrakam. So Shanga Shuklam Kafat Sadhyam Na Adirut Shuddha Shukrakam. So Shuddha Shukra is seen in Krishna Mandala. It is a Krishna Gata Rogas, right? So it is seen in Krishna Mandala. And how it looks like? It's like Shanga Shuklam. Shuklam means white. The white resembles the white color of a seashell. So that is Sanga Shuklam. Which dosha predominant? Kafa dosha predominant. And this is a Sadhya Vyadi. There won't be any pain. That is Shuddha Shuklam. You can see it here, right? This is the Krishna Mandala and this is the Shanga Shuklam, Shuddha Shuklam. So this looks like a Shanga Shuklam, that is white in color, which resembles Shanga. Shanga means seashell like white in color, which is seen in the Krishna Mandala. This condition is known as Shuddha Shukrakam. So this is a picture of corneal opacity. This is a sloka according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next comes the sloka mentioned in Susra Samhita. Sidam yada phadi asida pradeshe syandatmakam na adiruk ashruyuktam vihayasi va achakhananukari tat avranam sadhyatamam vadanti. Gambhira-jadam bahalam cha shukram chirothidam chabi vadanti krichram. Sidam yada phadi asida pradeshe sendatmagam na adiruk ashruyuktam. That means Sidam yada phadi asida pradeshe. Asida pradesha means Krishna Mandalam. Sidam yada phadi. Sida got spread to, you can see here, right? It is seen in the Asida Pradeshe. Asida Pradesha means Krishna Mandalam or which is not white in color. So Shidam yada phadi asida pradeshe. It spread to the Krishna Mandala. Syandatmagam na adiruk ashruyuktam. Syandatmagam. Syantada means secretion. Secretions will be more. Na adiruk ashruyuktam. But pain and watering will be not that much. Na adiruk ashruyuktam. Vihayasi va achakhananukari. It looks like a Vihayasi va achakhananukari means it looks like a clear sky with the clouds. That is Vihayasi va achakhananukari. Clear sky with clouds. It has a resemblance, smiley. Tad avranam sadhyatamam vadanti. That avrana shukla is a sadhya disease. Gambhira chadam bahalam cha shukram chidothidam cha abhi vadanti krichram. If these symptoms are there, then it is a Krichra Sadhya Vyadi, Gambhira Jadam. Uh, it is when inside, that is, it is thick, more layers affected. Gambhira Jadam Bahalam, more is there. Cha Shukram Chirothidam Chabi Abhi. That means long standing, chronic. Chronic condition means it is Krichra Sadhyam. It's not, it's difficult to cure. So in Sutra Samhita, Acharya divided into depending on the Sadhya Siddhita, Sugha Sadhya and Krichra Sadhya, right? Like it mentioned in Shatashukla, in Ashtanga Hridaya and Sutra Samhita. In Shatashukla also Acharya mentioned, or Savarana Shukla, Acharya mentioned according to the Sadhya Sadhyata, right? The Sadhya, Krichara Sadhya, Yapya and Asadhya condition is mentioned for Shatashukla, like that in Sutra Samhita. For Avrana Shukla or Shuddha Shukla also, Acharya mentioned it into Sugha Sadhya and Krichara Sadhya Vyadi. So this is the Lakshana of Shuddha Shukla or Avrana Shukla. Okay, Siddham Yada Bhati Asida Pradesha, nothing but in Krishna Mandala, whiteness is she. This can be compared to corneal opacity. And it is compared to Vihayasi Va Achakhananukari, means a clear sky with clouds. So in that condition it is without that much pain and watering and all, it is curable. But if it is with more layers affected or more in number is there and it's a long lasting chronic condition, then it is Krichra Sadhyam. Next comes the treatment. Shuddha Shukre Nisha Yashti Shariba Shabara Ambasa Sejanam Rodra Podalya Koshna Ambo Koshna Ambo Agnyapa Agnya Adava. So Shuddha Shukre, in Shuddha Shukra condition, we have to do Sejanam. Sega should be done with Nisha Yashti Shariba Shabara Ambasa, means Kashaya or decoction prepared with Nisha, Yashti, Shariba and Shabara. Using this Kashaya we can do Sega or Athava Rodra Podalya Koshna Ambasa, means Rodra Podali. We have to make a small podali like this using what medicine? Lodra should be filled in this, and then using Koshna, with using warm water we have to do Sega. So that is one treatment mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. So Sejana with Kashaya prepared with Nisha, Yashti, Shariba, Shabara, or else Rodra Podali we have to make, and that Podali we have to dip in a hot water or warm water, and using that we have to do Sega. Next, another yoga, this is Anjana Yoga, Mahanila Gudikanjana Yoga. Brihadi Mula Eshtyahuva Tamra Saindava Nagarehi Datri Phala Ambuna Pishter Lebidam Tamra Bhajanam Yava Aja Amalagi Patrer Bahusho Dubaye Tadha Tatra Kurvida Gudikasta Jalak Shaudra Peshitaha Mahanila Idikhyada Shuddha Shukra Haraha Param. So this is Mahanila Gudikanjanam. Brihadi Mula Yashtyahva Tamra Saindava Nagarehi Datri Phala Ambuna Pishter Lebidam Tamra Bhajanam. So which all we have to take? Brihadi Moolam, Yashti, Tamram, Saindavam, Nagaram. All this churna we have to mix with Datri Phala Ambuna. That means Datri phalam, gooseberry juice we have to take. In that you have to pishta, we have to mix with that. Lebidam tamra bhajanam, then where you have to apply it on a tamra bhajanam, over a inside of a tamra bhajanam, a vessel, tamra vessel we have to take. Inside that we have to apply this mixture. After that, what you have to do? Yava aja amalagi patrer bahusho dubaye tadaha. After that, we have to invert that and give dubana using what? Yava, Aja, Amalagi, Patrer. Yava, ghee and Amalagi, Patrer. Patra we have to take and burn that, and in that fume we have to show this Tamra Bhajana inverted so that these medicines will get this Dhupa. Bahusho Dubed, we have to do that more times. Tatra Kurvida Kudikasta. Jalak Shaudra Peshidehi. After doing that, we have to grind with, mix with water. Mahanila Idikhyata. This is known as Mahanila Gudikanchana. Shuddha Shukra Haraha Param. This is for Shuddha Shukra Chikitsa. So that is Mahanila Gudikanchana. It's nothing but we have to take all this powder. Brihadimulam, Yeshti, Tamram, Saindava, Nagara mix with the Dhatri Phala Ambu. After that we have to do Lepana on a Tamra Bhajana, and then copper vessel we have to apply. After that we have to give fumes with whatever Aja Amalagi Patre, we have to do it again and again. After that, we have to take it out and Jalak Shaudra Peshadehi. We have to mix with Jala and Shaudra and used as Anjana. This Anjana Yoga is known as Mahanila Kutika Anjana. This is mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. Next, Acharya is mentioning Stire Shukre Khanescha Asya Bahusho Abahared Asrik Stira Kaya Vire Kamsha Pudapa Kamsha Burishaha. Stire Shukre Khanescha Asya. So, if the Shukra is Stira means static, immobile, Khana, thick, Bahusho Abahared Asrik, then we have to do more bloodletting. Sirakaya Virekamsha. Then we have to do Siro Virejanam and Kaya Virejanam. That means Nasya and Virejana should be given. Pudapakamscha Burishaha. And Pudapakams can be given Burishaha. Punaha Punaha. Again and again we can go for Nasya, Siramoksha, Nasya, Virejanam, Pudapakadi Kriyas we can do if the Shukra is Thira and Khana. Kuriyad Marija Vaidehi Shirisha Bala Saindavaihi Harshanam Tripalakwada Pidena Levanenava. So Harshanam, next yoga is for Harshana. Harshana or Karshanam. Karshanam can be given using Kuriyad Marija Vaidehi Shirisha Bala Saindavehi. Marija Vaidehi Pippali Shirisha Bija, but Shirisha Phala and Saindava we can use for Harshana over that Shuddha Shukra. Or Tribala Kwada Pidena Lavanenava. Lavana means Saindava. Saindava Lavana. Put the Saindava Lavana in Triphala Kwada and it will get absorbed and dried. After that we can use that for Harshana. So these are the two yogas for Harshana. One with Marija, Vaidehi, Shirisha, Bala, Saindava. We can use for Harshanam. Otherwise, Saindava Lavana, put it in the Tripala Kwada and then you can reduce that and dry it and take that powder and do Harshanam. Next, Anjana Yogas are mentioned. Kuriyad Anjana Yogova Sloga Artha Gadita Vimau Shanga Kolasti Kataka Draksha Maduga Makshikaihi Sura Dantha Arnava Malehi Shirisha Kusuman Videhi. Kuriyad Anjana Yogova Sloga Artha Gadita Vimau. This is like when we learned about Shata Shukla in Savrana Shukla in Susra Samhita, the same treatment is mentioned there. That means Sloka Artha. These two lines makes one line of the sloka. So Sloka Artha is one yoga. Like that Acharya is mentioning. Kuriyat Anjana Yogova Sloka Artha Gadida Vimau. So these two lines, if these two are one line, but for example I am telling these two are one line means you have to take this artha as one yoga, Anjana yoga. Okay, so Shanga Kolasti Kadaka Draksha Maduka Makshigehi. This is one Anjana yoga. Shanga Kolasti Kataka Draksha, Maduka, and mixed with Makshika, mixed with honey. This is one Anjana Yoga. Sura Danta Arnava Malehi. Sura, all Dantas, Arnava Malehi Samudra Fena, mixed with Shirisha Kusuman Videhi. This is another Anjana Yoga. Dhatri Paninjaka Rase Ksharo Langaligodbhavaha Ushitaha Shoshida Churnaha Shukra Harshana Anjanam. So this is also Harshana Anjanam. Dhatri Paninjaga Rase Ksharo Langaligodbhavehi. So in Dhatri Swarasa and Paninjaka Swarasa is Tulasi Swarasa. So in Dhatri Swarasa and Tulsi Swarasa, what we have to put? Langali Ksharot Bhavehi. We have to put Langali Kshara. Ushidaha Shoshida Churno. Then we have to boil that and Ushidaha and mix that and Shoshitaha dried. That one can be used as Shukra Harshanam Anjanam. That can be used as Shukra Harshanam Anjanam. So here Dhatri, Paninjaga Rase, Dhatri Rase, otherwise Tulasi Rase, both these Swarasa we have to take, and Langali Kshara has to mix with that and reduce and dried, and that powder can be used as Harshanam. In Shukras. In all type of Shukras we can use this. Next yoga, Mudgava Nistushaha Pishtaha Kshanga Kshaudra Samayudaha Saro Madugan Maduman Majjava Aksha Samakshika. This is already mentioned by Susrudacharya for Shata Shukla Chikilsa. In Shata Shukla Chikilsa, while mentioning in Susruta Samhita, then mentioned last as that Shata Shukla Chikilsa can also be adopted for Shuddha Shukla or Savrana Shukla Chikilsa can be adopted for Avrana Shukla Chikilsa also. So here in Ashtanga Hridaya it is mentioned for Shuddha Shukla Chikilsa. Mudgava Nistusha Pishta Shanga Kshaudra Samayudaha Saro Madugan Maduman Majjava Akshant Samakshikaha. So Mudga is green gram, Nistushaha dehusked or remove the skin of the green gram. After that Pishta Shanga Kshaudra Samayudehi. Then you can mix with Shanga and Shaudra. Shanga and honey, you can mix that one. Saro Madhu. This is another yoga. Saro, Madhukan, Madhuman. Madhuka Sara we have to take mix with Madhu. Majjava Aksha Samakshikan, or else Aksha Majja can also be taken along with Madhu. This is another Anjana yogas. Next one is Go Khara Ashwa Ashtra Dashanaha Shanga Fena Samudrajaha Vartir Arjuna Toyena Drishtir Shukraga Nashini. So Go Khara Ashwa Oshtra Dashanaha. So dandas of animals like go, khara, donkey, ashwa, horse, oshtra, camel has to be taken. Along with that, shanka, samudra fena should be mixed, and these powder should be mixed with Arjuna toyena. Arjuna tree, you know, right? Arjuna twakka. You have to boil that and make into kashaya. Along with that, all these powders you have to add, and that you have to mix and do bhavana and take it as a Anjana yoga for Shukra. So that is Shukra Nashini yoga. Utsannam va sashalyam va shukram baladipir likhed. Utsannam, so raised, or sashalyam va. So shukram along with foreign body. If it is raised or if it is along with foreign body, then you have to do lekana with valadi. Valadi means hair like things you have to use for Lekhana, so that it will get stuck in that and will come out, Shalyas and all foreign bodies. So for that Acharya is mentioning to rub it with Valadir Pir Likhed. So Utsannam it is raised or it is with a Sashalyam. Foreign body is also lodged inside that Shukra. Then you have to do Lekhana using Valadi, hair like things. This is also mentioned in Ashtanga. The next comes the treatment mentioned in Susro Samhita. Anena abaharet shukram apranam kushalo bhikshaka. Like this, you have to treat Avrana Shukla. How? Loha churnani सर्वाणि धातवो लवणानिश्च रत्नानि दन्ताः शृङ्गाणि गणश्च अप्यवसादनः कुक्कुडाण्डकपालानि लशुनं कटुकत्रयं करञ्जबीजम् एलाश्च लेख्य अञ्जनम् इदं स्मृतम् पुडपाग अवसानेन रक्तविस्रावणादिना सम्पादितस्य विधिना कृत्स्नेन स्यात् घातिना. So, लोहचूर्णानि सर्वाणि धातवो लवणानिश्च रत्नानि दन्ताः शृङ्गाणि गणश्च अप्यवसादनः. So here Acharya told Anena Abahare Shukram Apranam Kushalo Bhikshak. Like this you have to treat how this is one yoga. So Anjana yoga. Loha Churnani. So Loha Churna you have to take Sarvani Dadavo. So Sarva Dadu, all the Dadus you have to take Lavanani. All the Lavanas you have to take Retnani. All the Sarvani Retnani. All the Retnas you have to take Sarvani Dandaha. All the Dandas you have to take Sarvani Sringani. All the Sringas you have to take. Along with that Avasadana Gana Dravyas also you have to mix and you have to do Anjanam. The next yoga is Kukkudanta Kapalani Lashunam Kadukatrayam Karancha Bijam Elascha Lekhana Anjanam Idam Spritam. Kukkudanta Kabalani Leshunam Kadukatrayam. So Kukkudanta Kabalani. Kukkudanta Kabala means eggshell. Kukkuda antam. Hence egg. Kapalani shell. So the eggshell you have to take along with that leshunam. Leshunam kadukatrayam trikadu karanja bijam ela cha lekhana anjanam idam smritam. Lekhana anjanam. So using all these things we have to do anjanam. Kukkudanta kabala, leshunam, trikadu, karanja bijam and ela. Mix all these things and do anjanam. पुडपाद अवसानेन रक्तविस्रावणादिनां सम्पादितस्य विधिना कृत्स्नेन स्यात् घातिना. Here Acharya is mentioning for this Shukra also Shukra Chikitsa also Pudapaga Avasanena Rekta Visravanadina. It is mentioned in Rekta Abhishanda Chikitsa. So Samani Rekta Abhishanda Chikitsa I mentioned in Shukla Gada Rokas. So there we have to take Rekta Visravanadi Kriyas from that Samanya Chikitsa till Pudapaga Pudapaga. That's what with this sloga Acharya mentioned Pudapaga Avasanena. Till Pudapaga we have to adopt from Samanya Rekta Abhishanda Chikitsa containing all these Rekta Visravanadi Dham. So Rekta Visravanadi Kriyas. All the procedures mentioned for Rekta Abhishanda Chikitsa we have to adopt here till Pudapaga. That is what Acharya mentioned in these two lines. Sambadide Vidinam according to the condition of the Roka and dosha predominance and all we have to adopt those treatment here. So this is according to Susra Samhita and also the treatment mentioned for Savrana Shukla also we can adopt here. So nothing but there is two yogas mentioned here. Loha Churna, Sarvadhatu, Sarvalavana, Sarvaretna, Sarvadanda and Sarva Sringa plus Avasadana Ganadravyas. Another yoga is Kukkadanta, Kapala, Eggshell, Leshunam, Trikadu, Karanja Bijam. All this you have to mix and use as a Lekhana Anjana. This is a Lekhana Anjana yoga. Ajakayam, this is mentioned in Ashtangridaya. Ajakayam asadhyayam shukre anyatrascha tatvide vedana upashamanam snehapana asrik sravanadibihi kuryad bivalsatam jedum shukrasya utseda sadhanam. So ajakayam asadhyam. So in ajakayam asadhyayam asadhya shukre anyatrascha tatvide. In asadhya ajaga or asadhya shukra, we have to adopt this treatment vedanopashamanam. In that condition, if the patient, it is asadhya, but the patient complains of pain, so we have to give treatment, right? So vedana upashamanam snehapana asrik sravanadi bihi. So there we have to give snehapana and siramoksha asrik sravanadi bihi. Bloodletting should be given for reducing the pain. Kuryad bivalsadam jedam, and we have to get rid of the bivalsada, what happened to our eyes. For that, shukrasya utseda sadhanam. So utseda sukra chikitsa should be given. Utsedanam lekhanam kriya. Before this we learned, right? Utsannam and Sashalyam we have to do lekhana with valadi. So here also in asadhya ajaga and asadhya shukra, if there is severe pain, then we have to go for snehapana and bloodletting. And if it is bivalsam, it's bivalsam to see, it is bivalsam means, then we have to do utseda sadhanam. Utseda chikilsa should be given. Utseda ajare mentioned leganam, valadi lekhanam. Baladir Likhed. Also, one more yoga is there. Vaivarnya Nashanam Anjanam. So it is, if you see a person with a white color over the Krishna Mandala, you will get like a blind people and all. You'll get that when we look at their eyes, we will feel some irritation, right? So we have some yogas for that Vaivarnya Nashanam. It is like exactly like tattooing. Okay, so Nalikera asti ballada tala vamsha karirajam Pasmadbhihi sravayed tabhir bhavayed karabasti jam churnam shukreshu sadhyeshu tad vaivarnyakna manjanam sadhyeshu sadhanaya alam idam evascha shilitam. So this one, this is the Vaivarnya Nashanam Anjanam, Nalikerasti Anjanam. So here it is mentioned Churne Shukreshu Asadhyeshu Tad Vaivarnyaknam Anjanam. If it is Asadhya Shukra, then we can use this yoga as Vaivarnya Nashanam. Sadhyeshu, if it is a Sadhya Shukra, then we itam evascha shilidam sadhanaya alam. So if we use this, then it get cured. So for asadhya, we can use this as Vaivarnya Nashanam. For sadhya, we can use this as a treatment. So the yoga is Nalikera Asti Ballataka Tala Vamsha Karirajam Bhasma Bihi. All this we have to make it Bhasma and Savayed Tapir Bhavayed. After that we have to wash that with water and Tapir Bhavayed Karabhasti. Then you have to do mixing with Karabhasti. Karabhasti means asti of bone of donkey. So you have to mix with the basma made of, or the powder made from the bone of a donkey, that we have to mix. So first we have to make the ashes of Nalikerasti, Balladakam, Haridalam, Vamsham and Kariracham. After that we have to mix that with water and let it settle down. The above water we have to remove. Then again we have to do that wash, and after that you have to mix with the karapasti. And this churna we can use for Vaivarnya Nashanam in Asadhya Shukra and in Sadhya Shukra as a treatment. नित्यं च शुक्रेषु श्रितं यथास्वं पाने च मर्षेश्च कृतं विदद्यात् न हीयते लब्धबला तथा अन्धः तीक्ष्ण अंजनेर्दृक्सततं प्रयुक्तेः. So nityam cha shukreshu sritam yathasvam. So in Shukra, Nityam cha Shukreshu. In Shukra, a Shukra patient, every day Nityam, Sritham, Yathaswam, Panescha Marshescha Kritam Vidyat. So we can give in Shukra patient every day Krita for Pana and for Marsha Nasya. Panescha Marshescha Kritam Vidadyat. न हीयते लब्धबला तथा अन्तः तीक्ष्ण अंजनेर्दृक् सततं प्रयुक्तैः. So तीक्ष्ण अंजनेर सततं प्रयुक्तैः न हीयते. तीक्ष्ण अंजनेर दृक् satatam prayuktehi. So in Shukra patient we usually give always Tishna Anjana. So with this Tishna Anjana, na hiyade drika. It won't affect our eyes. Lebda bela. From where we got lebda bela? Bela we got from Dipana and Marsha Nasya. Krita we were giving to the patient every day. If we are giving the patient every day Krita for Pana and Marsha Nasya, then this Tishna Anjana what we are giving for Shukra patient won't affect their eyes. Affect their eyes means in the sense not in a this it won't affect harm. It won't because of Tishna Anjana. If for a normal patient if we are giving Tishna Anjana, it will harm the eye. Okay, we can't use the Tishna Anjana for a long time. We have to stop that, and Pratyanjana we have to give and all. In Shukra patient, Shukra is a condition where we have to give Tishna Anjana continuously. But then also, if we are giving the patient the Kritapana and Marshanasya, then it won't affect the eye badly. Okay. So these are the treatments of Shukra. So this is Avrana Shukla and its treatment. We can adopt all this treatment for Savrana and Avrana Shukla. According to the condition, we have to decide what treatment we have to give. So we had mentioned some Sega yogas, Segam, then Anjana yogas were mentioned, then Harshana yogas were mentioned, and also Vaivarnya Nashanam Anjanam. So if that white color in the Krishna Mandala, we have to remove that. For that one also, Ajay mentioned one Anjanam, and if the Shukra is along with Shalya, what we have to do? We have to do Lekana, and with Vala, the hair and all, we have to do Lekana. Then Acharya mentioned at last that if we give Nityam every day Krita for Pana and Marshanasya, then it won't harm our eye with this Tishna Anjanas and all. How to protect the eye. Next come Sira Shukla. Next disease is Shira Shukla. So Shira Shukla is only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. सिराशुक्लं मलैः स अस्रैः तज्जुष्टं कृष्णमण्डलं स तोददाह ताम्राभिः सिराभिरवतन्यते अनिमित्त उष्णशीत अच्छघन अश्रश्रुश्च तत् त्यजेत् सिराशुक्रं मलैः स अस्रैः तज्जुष्टं कृष्णमण्डलं. So Shira Shukla is a disease that is affecting in Krishna Mandala, and it is formed due to the vitiation of all the doshas, Malaihi, Asrehi, along with Rektam. So Tridosha plus, so it is a Sannipada Chavyadi, Satoda Daha Tamra Bihi, Sirapir Avatanyate. So it affects the Krishna Mandala, and what all symptoms will be there? Toda Daha Tamra Bihi. So Toda will be there, Daha will be there, pain will be there, burning sensation will be there, and in Krishna Mandala we can see a Tamra Varnam, Sirabir Avadanyade, and also you can see Siras in the Krishna Mandala. Amnimitta Ushna Shida Achhakhana Asra Sruscha Tatyajed. And if it is along with Animitta, without any reason, Ushna is coming, Shida Ashru is coming, Khana Ashru, Thik is coming, Thik Ashru is coming, or Thin Ashru is coming like this. If it is coming Muhu, sometimes it is like Ushna Ashru, sometimes cold Ashru, sometimes it is thick, sometimes it is thin, then it is a Asadhya. We have to Tejet. We have to Tejet. Those patients we have to Tejet. So this is the lection of Sira Shukla. So Sira Shukla, it's a disease affecting Krishna Mandala and it is due to all the doshas Malehi along with Rekta, and the symptoms are Todam, Daham, Tamrabihi, Sirabhir Avadanyada. You can see Siras also in the Krishna Mandala. And if this disease, these symptoms are with Animita, Ushna, Shita, Ashruhu. Ashru, cold or warm Ashru, or thick or thin Ashru, then we have to Tejed. That patient we have to Tejed. So this is Sira Shukla Lakshanas. Next comes the treatment. Sira Shukre tu Adrishtakne. Sira Shukre tu Adrishtakne. Chikilsa Vrana Shukravat. So Sira Shukra, if Adrishtakne, if it is Adrishtakne, it's not affecting our drishti or vision, then Vrana Shukravat Chikilsa should be followed. So Vrana Shukla Chikilsa can be adopted. So Shira Shukle to Adrishtakne. Adrishtakne means it is not affecting the vision. Then we have to follow Vrana Shukra Chikilsa. This is another yoga, Anjana Yogam. Pundriya Yeshtyahva Kaguli Simhi Loha Nishanjanam Kalkidam Chaga Dugdena Sakrider Dubitam Yavehi Dhatri Patrescha Paryayad Vartir Atra Anjanam Param. So here we have to use Kalkidam. Which all churna we have to take? Pundra, Yeshti, Kaguli, Simhi, Loham, Nisha and Anjanam, Rasanjanam. All this Kalkidam Chaga Duktena, mixed with Chaga Dukta, God's milk we have to mix, and after that what we have to do? We have to give Duba to this mixture using Sakriter Dubidam Yavehi Dhatri Patrehi. Yava, Dhatri Patra and Krita we have to mix and burn in this fume. We have to show this mixture, and that Varti we have to use for Anjana in Sira Shukla patient. So Pundri Eshtiyahwa Kagoli Simhi Loham Nisha Anjana. This we have to make paste along with Chaga Dukta, God's milk, and then we have to show this to the fumes are coming from Krita, Yava, Dhatri Patra, Dupita, and that we have to do Anjanam in Sira Shukla patients. Ashanta Armavat Shastram Ajagakyascha Yojayet. Ashanta. With this treatment, if we are not getting relief, then we have to go for Armavat Chikilsa. The same for Ajaga also. In Ajaga, we'll say next. If Ajaga also with the treatment it is not coming down, then we have to go for Armavat Chikilsa. So Armavat Chikilsa can be given. Arma Chedana. So hope you understood this. So Sira Shukla, if it is not affecting the vision, we have to go for a Vrana Shukla Chikilsa, and this is a Anjana Yoga. And if it is not coming down with all this treatment, then we have to go for Armavat Chetana Vidhi. Next disease is Achaka. Atamra Pichila Asrasrut, Atamra Pidika Atiruk, Ajavit Sadrisho Uchraya, Karshneriya Varjya Asrija Achaka. Atamra Pichila Asrasruta. Atamra Pidika Atiruk. It is not Atamra, it is Atamra. Atamra means Isha Tamram. So in between, little bit Tamra Varna. That is Atamra Pichila Asrasrut. So how the tears will be? It will be Atamra Varna. It is Tamra Varna and Pichila. So Asrasrut. Atamra Pidika Atiruka. And there is one Pidika, and that is also Tamra Varnam and Atirukas with severe pain. Ajavit Sadarsho Uchraya Kashnaryam. And how it looks like that Pidika? It looks like a Ajavit, excreta of the god. So Ajavit Sadarsho Uchraya Karshnariam. It is black in color. Varjya, Asrija, Ajaka. So what you have to keep in mind is in the Krishna Mandala, you can see a projection from the Krishna Mandala like this, and it resembles Ajavit, excreta of the god. That condition is known as Ajaga. This is anterior. This is the picture of anterior staphyloma. So, Atamra Pichila Asrasrud. Atamra Pichila Asrasrud. The watering of the eye, the secretes, the eye secretes Atamra Pichila Asrasrud. It will secrete Atamra Pitika Atiruk. And there is a Pitika, that is Atamra Varnam, and it is Atiruk with severe pain, and it resembles Ajavit Sadrishu, excreta of god Kashnariam, and Varju Asrija Ajaka. This is Asrija, Rekta Dosha predominant disease, and Varjya. This is a Asadhya condition. This is according to Ashtangridaya. Next comes Susro Samhita Sloka. Aja Purisha Pradimo Ruchavan Salohhido Lohhida Pichilashru Vidarya Krishnam Prajayo Apyubeti Tamcha Ajaka Jadam Iti Vyavasyed. Aja Purisha Pradimo Ruchavan. So, there also Acharya mentioned it resembles the excreta of god. Aja Purisha Pradimo Rujavan with severe pain. Sa Lohhido Lohhida Pichila Ashruhu. And it is Lohhida Varna, and Ashru is Lohhida Varna and Pichila. Vidarya Krishnam Prajayo Apyubedi. It is seen in the Krishna Mandala, and Tam Cha Ajaka Jadam iti Vyavasye. That is known as Ajaka. So here also Susratacharya mentioned it as it resembles the Ajapurisha, excreta of god. Treatment. This is from Ashtangridaya. Ajakam parshvado vidva sujya visravyascha udakam samam prabidya angushtena vasadrena anupurayed vranam gomamsa churnena batham vimuchyascha saptaratrat vrane rude krishna bhage samam stire स्नेहांजनं च कर्तव्यं नस्यं च क्षीरसर्पिषां तथा अपि पुनरात्माने भेदचेदादिकं क्रियां युक्त्या कुर्यात् यथा न अधिच्छेदेन स्यात् निमज्जनम्. So, Ajagam Parshvado Vidva Suji Visravyascha Udakam. Ajaga, the condition. Parshvado Vidva Sujya. We have to do Vetanam. Both sides. Parshvado. Both the sides of the Ajaga we have to do Vethana using Suji. Visravyascha Udakam. And after that drain the contents inside. Samam prabidya angushtena, and samam prabidya angushtena, we have to press using our thumb to take all the contents outside. Vasadrena anupurayed vranam gomamsa churnena. So vasadrena anupurayed vranam. After that we have to fill that vrana using vasa mixed with gomamsa churna. So gomamsa churna mixed with vasa we have to fill in that vrana, and then you have to do batham, bandage. Batham vimuchyascha. Each day we have to remove that, fill with this, again bandaging. Like that you have to do for 7 days. Saptaratrat. On 7th day we have to, when we remove, we can see Prane Rute. It got healed. And Krishna Bhage Samam Sthite. And Krishna Bhaga become Samam. Snehanjanam cha kartavyam. After that we have to do Snehanjanam. Nasyam cha Shira Sarpisha. And Nasya using Shira Sarpish. Shira Sarpish is Krida taken from Shira cream. Tatha abhi punar atmane pheda chedadikam kriyam. Tatha abhi, after doing this also, punar atmane, then also it is a bulging like that. Then pheda chedadikam kriya. Then we have to go for phedana or chetana kriya. Yuktya kuryad yatha. That also, if you are doing, do it carefully or properly. Yuktya kuryat yatha na adichedena. If you are doing adichedana, syad nimajjanam, it will sink or depression will come in Krishna Mandala. If you are doing more also, adichedanena, if you are doing more, then it will sink or depression will come in the Krishna Mandala region. So this is Ajaka treatment according to Ashtanga Hridaya. So, Ajakam Parshado Vitva Sujya Visravyaschodakam. So, first you have to do Vedana in both the sides using Suji. After that, you have to drain the contents. Then, we have to, using our thumb, we have to Samam Prapedya. We have to nicely remove all the contents from inside. Then, we have to fill that vrana using Gomamsa Churna mixed with Vasa. We have to fill that. And each day, we have to change Batham Vimuchyascha and Saptaratra. After 7 days, if you see, you can see the wound is clearly healed and the Krishna Bhaga become normal. And you have to give Snehanjanam and then give Nasya using Shira Sarpe. If after doing all these things also again it is coming, then we have to do Veda Chetanadi Kriya. Yuktya Kuriya, we have to do it very carefully. If we do Adi Chetana, then it will go for depression or singing. Ajakam Parshado Vitva Suji Visravyascha Udakam Vranam Gomamsa Jurnena Purayet Sarpisha Saha Bahisho Avalikhescha Api Vartmasya Upagatam Yeti. Same only Acharya Susrada also mentioned. If Ajaka is there, we have to do with Suji Visravya Udakam, and then we have to fill with Gomamsa Churna along with Sarpis we have to fill, and you can do Lekhana a lot of time. It is Vartmasya Upagatam. It is projecting more, then you have to do Lekhana. So this is a treatment for Ajaka. So also while discussing Avrana Shukla, it is mentioned if Ajaka is not Ajaka is Asadhya, then we can go for Armavat Chikilsa, Armavat Chedana we can go for, and also for if Ajaka is Asadhya and there is pain, then Snehapana and all Acharya mentioned. That also you have to write here. So these are the Lakshana and treatment for Ajaka. So Avrana Shukla over, Sira Shukla over, and Ajaka over. So only one more disease remaining in Krishnagata Rogas, that is Pagatya. This is Pagatya Shukla. Okay. Doshehi sa asrehi sagrit krishnam niyade shukla rupatam dhavalapra upaliptapam nishpava arthadala akriti aditivra rucha raga daha shvayadu pididam pagatyena tat shukram varchayed tivra vedana. So, dosher sa asrehi sagrit krishnam. So, it is manifested in Krishna Mandala and it is because of all the doshas plus rekta. So, Sannibadaja Vyadi doshehi sa asrehi niyade shukla rupadam. Krishnam niyade shukla rupadam. What will happen? Krishnam niyade shukla rupadam. So, in Krishna Mandala become white in color, shukla rupadam. Davala apra ubaliptapam. How it looks like Davala apra ubaliptapam. Like it resembles like clouds. Davala apra ubaliptapam. Nishpava artha dala agrati. What is the shape of that one? Nishpava. Nishpava is a lenticule, and this is a pulse, right? Nishpava dal. Nishpava artha dala agrati. Artha dala means half of a dal. How it looks like that shape, this our Krishna Mandala will also looks like. What all symptoms will be there? Aditivra rucha, ragam, daham, shvayadu, pididam. So there will be severe pain, severe redness, severe daham, burning sensation, shvayadu, swelling. This type of shukla, that is pagatyena tat shuklam, that shuklam varjayet tivra vedana. It should be neglected and it will be with tivra vedana. It should be neglected. So this is Pagateya in Krishna Mandala. So here all the doshas are involved. Here you can see Krishna Mandala as fully white. It looks like clouds. Clouds got sticked in the Ubaliptabham in the Krishna Mandala, and the shape resembles the Nishpava Artha Dala Agriti. That means a half of a dal. That shape Nishpava Artha Dala Agriti, and symptoms are Aditibra Vedana, Ruja, Aditibra Ruja, Ragam, Daham, Shwayadu. And this Pakatya Shukla is Varjayet Aditibra with a Tibra Vedana. So this is a Asadhya Vyadi. This is according to Susra Samhita. Sanjadyade Shveda Nibhena Sarva Doshena Yasya Asida Mandalam Tu Tam Akshipagatyam Akshigopa Samuthidam Tivra Rucham Vatanti. Here Acharya is mentioning Sanjadyade Shveda Nibhena Sarva Doshena Yasya Asida Mandalam. Asida Mandalam Tu. Asida Mandala means Krishna Mandala. Sanjadyade Sweda Nibhena. Sanjadyade means like a curtain. If we put Shveda Nibhena with a it is closed with a Shveda Nipena, with a white cloth or white curtain. Sanjadyade Shveda Nipena. Sarva Doshena, it is a Sannipada Javyadi. Yasya Asiddha Mandalam Tu. Like that, if Krishna Mandala is looks like Tam Akshipagatyam Akshikoba, full Akshikoba is there, and Samudhidam Tivra Rucham Vatanti, along with severe pain. That is Pagatya according to Susruta Samveda. In Susruta Samveda also it is a Asadhya Vyadi. So no treatment is mentioned for this condition. So that is Pagatyam. Sadhya Sadhyata. This is Sadhya Sadhyata of Shukra. Each disease Acharya mentioned Sadhya Sadhyata along with the Lakshanas. So here it is concluding. And this is the Sadhya Sadhyata of Shukra. Yasya va linga nasho andah kshavam yadva salohitam atyutseda avakadam va sa ashru nadi vranavritam puranam vishamam madhye vichinnam yascha shukratam. So, yasya va linga nasho andah shyamam. Yasya va linga nasho. Linga nasho means in Drishikata Roga, you will learn a disease, Linganasha. It's not that Linganasha. Here means loss of vision, Linganasha. So, Yasyava Linganasho, loss of vision, Andahashyavam. Andahashyavam means inside it is black in color, Yathvasa Lohidam or red in color, Atyutseda Avakada. Atyutseda, highly elevated or depressed, Va sa Ashru Nadi Vranavritam or along with the watering Nadi Vrana or Nadi Vrana, Puranam, chronic, Vishamam, irregular, Madhye Vischinnam, the middle only it got Vichinnam. Cut is there in the middle only. Escha Shukrakam Asadhyam. That Shukra is Asadhyam. So this is the Asadhya Lakshana of Shukra. Yasyava Linganasho Andaha. So Linganasha, loss of vision is there. Andaha Shyavam Yadva Lokitam. Inside it is Shavavarna or Lokita Varna, Atyutsvedam or Avagadam, Va Sa Ashru, along with Ashru and Nadivrana, Puranam, long standing or chronic, Vishamam, irregular, Madhye Vischinnam, cut is there in the middle, that Shukra is Asadhya. So this is the Asadhya Lakshana of Shukra. So that's about Krishna Katha Roga. So today we dealt with 4 diseases, right? Avranam, Avrana Shuklam, Sira Shuklam, Achaka and Pagatya. In that Avrana Shukla, that is mentioned in both the Susru Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya, and all the treatment and all. I hope you understood all those things. Sura Shukla is only mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya and its treatment is also mentioned. And Achaka is disease that is compared to anterior staphyloma, that is because of the perforation that uveal tract is coming out through towards the corneal region, that is a staphyloma. And then comes the Pagatyam, that is Asadhya Vyadi. So no treatment is mentioned, only both the Lakshanas you have to study. And Pagatheya can be compared to panophthalmitis like conditions. Keratitis, final stage panophthalmitis, and all we can say. Okay, hope you understood this section. Thank you. Have a nice day.